Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming sync. Open your Samsung phone, go to Settings, right arrow Accounts, right arrow Google, and verify Contacts sync was active. Once done, switch to a desktop or mobile browser and sign into the same Google account. You need the Google Contacts web interface because the Restore tool only runs from there. Make sure you use the account tied to the phone. If you have multiple accounts, pick the one that held your contacts before deletion. On Contacts, Google.com, open the left menu and select Undo Changes. You'll see options like 10 minutes, 1 hour, yesterday, or a custom time within 30 days. Choose the timestamp just before you deleted the contacts. This reverts your entire contacts list to that state. Once you confirm, Google will restore those entries to your account. Make sure not to sign out or perform other sync actions on your phone until the restore After the web restore finishes, go back to your Samsung phone and force a Google account sync. Settings, right arrow Accounts, right arrow Google, right arrow Account sync, right arrow toggle contacts off and on, then tap Sync Now. If contacts fail to appear, clear the Contacts app cache and data. Settings, right arrow Apps, right arrow Contacts, right arrow Storage, and resync. This refreshes the local database. One key troubleshooting tip. Restores only work within 30 days of deletion, so if you wait long.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.